Now we need to check if contacts exist or not. So like we don't want duplicate contacts, right? If the user has already registered, we should reuse the existing contacts. So for that we need to add get records. Okay, now we need to add get records. Okay, so the get records, let's give something name for this. Find contact by email, something will write like this. Get the records of the object is contact. Okay, now what we gonna do here, we gonna filter the contact records, right? So for that the condition will be email should be equals to var email. Okay, so for that we gonna write email should be equals to var email. Yes, so this is the condition which you want. Now store all the fields. Okay, done. Contact and yes, we are done with this. So it will see how to sort the records. Store only the first record. Okay, now we are done with this. Now what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna add decision element. Okay, so if you click on here, let me remove this one. Now we're gonna add something. Okay, now we're gonna add decision element. So the decision element will be something called as does contact exist. Okay, this will be the name. Yes, we are done with this. Now we're gonna give outcome. So if contact exists, then we're gonna write if id let me just say this one.